Meeting for the first time, basic English conversation. Hello, my name is John. What's your name?
Hi, John. I'm Emma. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Emma. How are you today?
I'm great, thanks. How about you?
I'm good too. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. What about you?
I'm from the United States. Is this your first time here?
No, I live here. What about you?
I'm just visiting for a few days.
That's nice. Do you like it here?
Yes, it's a beautiful city. The people are very friendly.
I'm glad you like it. Have you visited any places here?
Not yet. Do you have any recommendations?
Yes, you should visit the Central Park. It's very nice.
That sounds great. Maybe I'll go tomorrow.
Good idea. The weather is perfect for a walk.
Yes. By the way, do you work or study?
I work as a teacher. What about you?
I'm a student. I'm studying business.
That's interesting.
Thanks. Well, it was nice talking to you, Emma.
You too, John. Have a great day.
You too. Bye. At the hospital, basic English conversation. Good morning. I have an appointment with Dr. Smith.
Good morning. Do you have an appointment?
Yes. My name is Mark Johnson.
Let me check. Yes, I see your name here. What seems to be the problem?
I'm not feeling well. I have a headache and a fever.
I'm sorry to hear that. How long have you been feeling this way?
Since last night, I also feel very tired.
I understand. Please have a seat. The doctor will see you soon.
Okay, thank you. Do I need to fill out any forms?
Yes. Just fill out this form and return it to me.
All right. How long do I have to wait?
It should be about 15-20 minutes.
Great. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Feel better soon.
At the bank, basic English conversation. Good morning. Is this the right line for opening a new account?
Good morning. Yes, this is the correct line. How can I help you?
Great. What do I need to bring?
To open an account, you need to bring your ID and proof of address.
Okay, I have my ID. Do I need anything else?
Yes, you also need an initial deposit of at least $50.
Got it. How long does the process take?
It usually takes about 15 minutes. We just need to fill out some forms.
That sounds easy. Can I also apply for online banking?
Yes, you can sign up for online banking after your account is active.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need anything else.